Hi friends, it's Cassie and welcome back to my channel. So today I'm going to be filming my plan with me for the September 23rd through September 29th. Next week is October. Holy buckets. I can't believe it. It's just going by so quickly. So I'm going to be using this planner cake kit. It is kit 165. And as you can see, I have already put down my full boxes. This is going to be a very quick and dirty plan with me. I'm really hoping to not even have to edit it. We are just gonna do this super quickly and be done because, and as you can see, like last week, I didn't even really write in. I have been having some issues with my planner. I haven't been using it and I can tell. And yeah, it's just been one of those things, but on Saturday, we went to my parents' house because my nephew's birthday is Monday. So the day that you're watching this is my nephew's birthday. He's turning 4. So we went and celebrated with them, and we were able to go to the little fall festival that my hometown has on this Saturday, so it would have been yesterday. And we just got back today from my parents' house, and oh, I lost my bookmark. I do this all the time. Well, this is real planning, right? I found it. So we were able to hang out there, and we were able to go to that. My son loved it, and yeah, he just soaked up all of the sights and the sounds and the people, and it was so nice just to, my town has about 6,000 people, and the town that I currently live in is like 10 times that. So, it was just really nice, like, to go, and there was enough people, but also, like, it was super chill, and we were able to enjoy ourselves. It was so nice. So I'm gonna put my weekend banner down so I don't forget it. Over there. Okay, so Monday is my nephew's birthday, and I'm gonna mark that with a half box in the morning. And I'm sorry if you can hear like laundry noises. I don't know if I said that before, but we are trying to catch up from being gone. My husband went to work out. My son is napping. So I'm hoping that I have like 15 minutes to just quick plan and for next week. And yeah, so my nephew's birthday, he's turning 4. He's just a little, like, excuse my language, a little shit. I mean, I love him, but like he is sassy. And ooh, story time. So his mom and my brother are no longer together, which is the best thing for both of them. They were just not a good couple. But he had a birthday party with her mom a couple weeks ago where he blew out candles and had cake and all of that other stuff. And so he told my mom, Grandma, I have already blown out candles and had a happy birthday sung to me. I'm 4 already. Like, we don't need to have another, like, he was so funny because he was like, we don't need to have another party. I'm already 4. So, I don't know. He was a little hoot. So, so that's on Monday. My husband is closing the office twice this week. And so I pulled out these double dots, and I am going to use the navy to signify my husband working late. So I'm going to put that like at the start down here. So that is Monday and Thursday. I'm going to write mean, it's hard to read. Unless you're pretty close, and then that's not bad, but so, oh, I should take these out. So let's match this kit. So that is for Monday. Yes, so I'm going to use one of these dots underneath, and I'm going to say pick up. Because I've just been like slacking on the whole like remembering to pick up my child thing. I mean, not really. I drop off, my husband picks up in the evening. But with my husband now able to close the office, so like he's in charge of like making sure everyone's out and the doors are locked and stuff. It's been kind of more sporadic of like when I have to pick up. This is a PK coffee doodle. I always put one on Monday because Monday you need the coffee to start off the week. So I have been forgetting pick up, and I'll text my husband being like, what's the plan? And he's like, we talked about this. I'm like, oh yeah, right. I forgot. So, and then Wednesday we have a vet appointment at 4 o'clock. Yes, 4 p.m. So I'm going to put that there. And also for this, my husband picks up our cats because he works like a mile from our house. So he picks up the cats, and then I will meet them at the vet because the one cat is kind of crazy, and he's essentially my cat. Right, Sven? He's staring at me from the counter right now. So, and then I don't have anything Tuesday or let's see. I want to say he has an army meeting. But why isn't it on the calendar? I'll have to ask him about that. Okay, and then always I have my clean fridge and meal plan stickers. So I'm going to meal plan on Thursday. Oh, and that's really crooked. You can really tell when things are crooked when they're like little like this, like the width is little. And then we will do clean fridge in the morning. Saturday, we are planning on going to the Children's Museum here in town. We bought annual pass, and that is where our son's going to have his first birthday party because it just didn't, there's just so many people. So I'm going to I have these mini icons that I used for the monthly view, and honestly I didn't use them at all during the month, so I probably will not be purchasing these again. They're lovely and I love them, but they're just not useful for for me in my planning. So I mean, honestly, I just love buying planner Kate stickers. So, and I'll put all of these icons in with my like extras, so it totally works out. But I'm gonna do Children's Museum. Okay. Oh, and then Thursday is a Packer game. So they are currently playing today, and they are also playing on Thursday night. Yes, 4 days. So I hope they do really well. They're at home again versus the Eagles. And that's 7:20 p.m. Let's see. Okay, well, so my video posting has been really crappy in the month of September. Like, it's just been completely ridiculous. I'm gonna throw out my little teardrop here. I don't think I did this last week. No, I didn't. 15, 14, 13 weeks until Christmas break. So I know I'm going to be posting on Monday, and I didn't even pull film slate stickers. Oh well, I'll just use these budget labels. I know I want to film or post my plan with me. Oops. So that's Monday, and then I want to have a video go up on Thursday. What video that will be, I'm not sure. I know I want to film my October monthly in both my Erin Condren and my Happy Planner. So it might be one of those. Spoiler alert. And then I think on Saturday I also have another video going up, and I think maybe that might be how I meal plan. We shall see. I don't know. It'll be a surprise for all of us. I do know that I would love to get in some editing done, maybe Thursday night while I watch the Packer game. We'll see if that works. Oh, just so you know, I also have the Packer game on mute. So if I pause for a little bit, it's because I'm just checking to see what's going on. I want to post on Instagram Monday, Thursday, and Saturday, of course. And then and this is going to sound really funny, I've really been loving the sidebar, but I haven't been using it. So I'm just going to I'm going to use these skinny labels. Film, edit, upload. And we'll just go like that. Okay. Let's see. Oh, the 29th. I almost forgot. Okay, so the 29th is my community is having a gigantic pumpkin festival. I'm super pumped. Super pumped. Let's see. On those little mini icons. Actually, I'm going to use this one. It's red. I'm going to do the exclamation point, and I'm going to say giant pumpkin fest. And that is at 9 a.m. We probably won't go at 9, or maybe we might go at 9. It's not like we're not up. So yeah, let's see. I know I want to have some planner time on the weekend, so I'm going to put that in a patterned quarter box. And I have been treating like some of the weekend as like, I mean, this is specifically on Saturday, this is specifically on Sunday, but like I've been kind of treating the weekend lately as like a one big like box of things I want to get done. Like, I need to do laundry, yes, and I need to do like meal planning, well, grocery shopping. So I think we might go grocery shopping on Sunday. So like, I think I'm just gonna treat it as more of like a gigantic day almost. And then I'm gonna let's see if I can do this. So laundry, I need sheets, darks, whites. Actually, I'm gonna just put down the entire checklist. Yeah, I'm gonna put down the entire checklist. I'm gonna move this so that it will fit. And then I'm probably gonna end up like doing some extra laundry, like the rugs and like our comforter, because I'm hoping that it will get cooler. But okay. Let's see. Trash day is Sunday. Just put that there, just so that I can use it. I think that might be it. Yeah, so this is what I have left. So just a few half boxes, all of my like whited out full boxes. I haven't been using my checklists. I don't know. I forget to use them and then the week's over. But that's what I've got left for appointment labels and dots and stuff. And then I only used maybe one mini icon. I don't know. But let me just show you how it turned out. And there you go. So thank you so much for watching this video. If you liked this video, please give it a thumbs up. It does help to grow my channel. And I do appreciate all of the likes and the comments. Yeah, thanks so much for watching, guys. Take care. Bye-bye.